Good morning to all. I'm Sharad Kumar Singh,
I am Harshit Singh.
I am Shivam Gupta.
I am Jayesh Varshney.
I am Sarat Bansal.
and we are from class 10C. We are making a project on surface area and volume.
This is a cone. And if we unwrap the cone, we get a circular base whose radius is r and a major sector which forms the curved surface of the cone. The radius of the sector is equal to the slant height of the cone, and the arc length of this major sector is equal to the circumference of the base of the circle, which is equal to 2 pi r. Now, if we assume the angle in between is theta, then we get the arc length is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi l, because the radius of the sector is l. And if we equate it with 2 pi r, which is the circumference of the base of the circle, we get r is equal to theta upon 360 into l. And we know that CSA is going to be equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square, but because the radius is l, we get pi l square. If we solve this, we get pi in bracket theta upon 360 into l, because we have broken down l square into l and l. Now we know that radius is equal to theta upon 360 into l. We can put this value in here and we get the CSA being equal to pi r l. And now if we add the CSA, which is pi r l, with the base of the cone, which is pi r square, we get the total area of the cone being equal to pi r in bracket l plus r.
This is a cube. It has 6 square faces. The side of one face A, so its area is A square. There are 6 faces, so its total surface area is 6A square. If we take lateral surface area, it's 4A square.
This is a cuboid. It has three similar pairs of a rectangle which have areas LB, BH and LH. When we add and multiply by 2, we will get 2LB plus BH plus LH. And this is the TSA of a cuboid.
Start.
It is a cylinder. It has two flat surfaces which are circle and one curved surface which is rectangle, and the side of the rectangle is equal to the circumference of circle, which is 2 pi r, and the height of a rectangle is equal to the height of a cylinder. Where a lateral surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r h, and we add both these circles, and so the total surface area of cylinder is 2 pi r h plus r.
This is a cuboid. It has three sides which are L, B and H. So if we multiply all the three sides, we get the volume of the cuboid, which is equals to LBH. But if we look at a cube, all the sides of a cube are equal. So if we look at the volume of the cube, it is A cube. And if we look at a cylinder, the volume of the area of the base of the cylinder is pi r square. And if we multiply it by the height, then the volume of the cylinder becomes pi r square h.